Stop.
Imagine this. Your living room is full of brown boxes. You check your bank app. You want to cry. You do not need any of these random things. You feel terrible. Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster. My living room is exactly like that right now.
We all have those moments. You buy too much online, then you regret it.
Oh, yes. I bought a guitar last week. I cannot even play the guitar.
That is exactly our topic today. We are talking about online shopping regrets.
I need this lesson. I really need to send this guitar back to the store.
Today, we will learn 3 magic phrases to save your wallet. Phrase 1, add to cart.
Add to cart. So I just put things in my online basket, right?
Exactly. It is the start of the problem. Phrase 2, get a refund.
Get a refund. This means getting your money back. It is my favorite phrase now.
Phrase 3, impulse buy. It means buying something quickly without thinking about it.
Impulse buy. That perfectly describes my new guitar. And my 3 new hats.
Stick around until the end. Leo will share his funniest online shopping story. He bought something very strange for his cat. It is a hilarious mistake.
Please don't remind me. My cat hated it. I wanted to disappear completely.
It is a great story. But first, let's look at some common shopping mistakes. Time for our awkward theater. Let's hear how Leo tried to return a package.
I went to the post office yesterday. I wanted to send a big box back.
Show us what happened. I will be the busy post office worker.
Hello. I want to return this. I very like it, but it is small.
Oh no, Leo. Saying you very like it is a classic mistake.
How to say it? I wanted to be polite to the nice worker.
Wait, the phrase, how to say it, is wrong too. Ask, how do you say it?
Right. Then the worker asked for my reason. I said, my English is poor.
That is not a reason for a return. You just made it much worse.
I panicked. Then I yelled, I want my money. Give me money now.
Oh my goodness, that sounds like a robbery. What did the poor worker do?
He looked very scared. He just pointed at the door. I ran away quickly.
Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've got the fix. We will teach you the right way.
Thank goodness. I never want to scare a post office worker like that ever again.
All right, Leo, let's put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes.
I am ready. No more scaring people. I want to speak like a native.
Our first scene is about the moment of weakness. You are browsing your phone.
It is late at night. The screen is bright. I see a really cool jacket.
You hear the sound of the keyboard. Click, click. The room is quiet.
I look at the jacket. I really want it. I add to cart immediately.
Stop right there. Notice how Leo used our first key phrase today.
I said, I add to cart immediately. Is that correct for the past tense?
Almost. In the past tense, you should say, I added it to my cart.
Got it. So I added it to my cart. It was a fast decision.
Yes, it is too easy. That is the danger of online shopping apps.
I always add things to my cart. Then I buy them without thinking first.
Which brings us to our next point. But wait, there is a hidden trap here. Most people fail this next situation. Let's see what happens when the package arrives.
The big box arrives. I open it quickly. The new jacket is bright green.
Bright green? You never wear green. It is a huge color mistake.
I know. I look in the mirror. I realize it was an impulse buy.
Perfect use of the phrase. An impulse buy is a sudden, unplanned shopping decision.
Got it. So an impulse buy is when you do not plan your purchase.
Exactly. You did not plan to buy a bright green jacket for yourself today.
It was definitely an impulse buy. The color is terrible. I look like a tree.
A very sad tree. So, what do you do with this jacket?
I need to send it back to the store. I want my money back quickly.
Hold on. The next phrase is a secret weapon native speakers use all the time.
I need a secret weapon. My wallet is crying right now. What is the phrase?
It is our third phrase. Let's see it in action in our final scene.
I am back at the post office. The exact same worker is standing there today.
You take a deep breath. You step forward to the desk. What do you say?
I smile. I say, "This was an impulse buy. I want to get a refund."
Excellent! You used two phrases there. Get a refund is the absolute key phrase.
Oh, like, I return the item and the store gives me a refund.
Exactly. Get a refund sounds natural and polite. No more sounding like a bank robber.
That is a relief. I can just say, "I would like to get a refund."
Yes, you can also say, "Can I get a refund?" It is very simple.
This is so useful. I always make impulse buys late at night.
Speaking of that, remember the funny story I mentioned earlier in the show?
Oh no, you mean the silly cat story? Do I really have to tell it?
Yes, you do. Tell our listeners about your absolute biggest online shopping fail.
Fine. Last month, I was watching funny videos online. I saw a tiny little tent.
A tiny tent? For sleeping outside? Who was the small tent for?
Yes, a mini version. It was an impulse buy. I added it to my cart.
Why did you buy a tiny tent? You do not even like camping outside.
I bought it for my cat, Max. I thought he would love a little house.
Let me guess the sad ending. Max did not love his expensive new house?
He hated it. He looked at it once. Then he slept in the brown box.
Typical cat behavior. They always prefer the cheap box over the expensive new toy.
I was so annoyed. I spent $50 on that completely useless tiny tent.
$50? For a cat tent? That is an expensive impulse buy, Leo.
I know. I decided to send it back immediately. I wanted to get a refund.
Did you get your money back? Was the return process easy for you online?
Not at all. I had to pay for the return shipping. It cost $20.
So you lost $20? That is definitely not a full refund for you.
Exactly. It was a disaster. Now I think twice before I add to cart.
That is a great lesson for everyone. Always check the return policy first.
Got it. So I should check the rules before I try to get a refund.
Yes. Otherwise, you might lose money on shipping fees just like you did.
I learned my expensive lesson. And Max still sleeps in that same brown box.
Well, at least Max is happy with his free box today.
The worst part is the box. It is huge.
Why don't you throw the box away? You got your partial refund already.
I cannot throw it away. Max will be very angry.
So you paid $30 for a cardboard box. That is funny. Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right this time.
I am back at the post office. The same worker is looking at me.
Hello again. How can I help you today, sir? Are you returning something?
Hi. I want to return this green jacket. It was a bad impulse buy.
I understand. We see a lot of impulse buys here. Do you want an exchange?
No, thank you. I just want to get a refund, please.
No problem. I can process that refund for you right now. Just sign here.
Thank you so much. Next time, I will not add to cart so fast.
Much better, Leo. You sounded like a true native speaker this time.
It feels great. I got my money back and I did not panic.
Perfect. Let's do a quick recap. I will say the phrase, you make a sentence. Phrase number 1 is add to cart.
I always add to cart when I am very tired at night.
Good. Phrase number 2 is impulse buy.
That expensive cat tent was a very silly impulse buy.
Excellent. Phrase number 3 is get a refund.
The green jacket is ugly, so I will get a refund today.
Great job, Leo! Now it is time for our wonderful listeners to practice. Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every one.
Tell us about your worst impulse buy. We want to hear your funny stories.
Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth. You won't want to miss it.
I promise I will not buy any more tiny tents before the next episode.
We will see about that, Leo. Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep your wallet safe.